The purpose of this video is to compare the 1 3/4 to our newly implemented 2.5 inch attack line for use in commercial fire attack. The most common commercial occupancy in Edmond and most of the US is a multi-unit single-story storefront with a depth of about 40 to 100 feet, also known as a strip mall. The goal here is a visual representation of the difference between the 1 3/4 and the 2.5 on the exterior to use the building as a scale, and on the interior to demonstrate stream effectiveness and volume. We will demonstrate this using a single firefighter operation. Obviously, working as a single firefighter is not preferred, but as a base demonstration of what can be done with one can easily be supported by more. Here we can see that both lines have good reach equal to the full depth of the structure from the front door. Both lines are equally and actively played by the nozzle firefighters with ease. From the side, there may seem to be very little visual difference between the two hose lines. However, when we transition to the overhead view and you observe the endpoint volume delivery, you can see a marked difference. Water absorbs heat, and this has been preached over the years with the phrase GPMs versus BTUs. To break that down further and quantify the difference between these two hose lines, we are using gallons per second. At current EFD SOP, our 1 3/4 attack lines are flowing 1.6 gallons per second, whereas we have the ability to deliver 5.4 gallons per second with the 2.5 inch attack line. Most of our commercial occupancies are higher volume spaces, open, allowing for unrestricted fire spread. Commercial occupancies with kitchens or stock storage areas present with concentrated fire loads and fuel packages. In these settings, the more powerful hose line is a key to our success. From the interior, we can now see the difference in that power. When the 1 3/4 contacts the ceiling, tiles are lifted, but water flow is not affecting the common area. When the 2.5 inch attack line is directed at the ceiling, hydraulic overhaul begins. The tiles are dropped by the stream and 5.4 gallons per second of cooling power is applied to this space, which stops fire spread and cools structural members. After the compartment is adequately cooled from a safe location and the fire is knocked down or more help arrives, an additional move into the occupancy can be made to reach the fire area. Now let us see the hit and move commercial fire attack process in real time with the 2.5 inch hose line.
Yeah. this GoPro's waterproof.